Okay. Okay, people, we have another review in the pipeline. Today we have a very interesting video. Today we're looking at a microphone, actually a wireless microphone, which I'm actually going to be replacing on my Lumix G7. Right now I have a shotgun mic mounted to my camera. However, it's a little bit far away. My audio's not that great on it. It's still much improved over the base mic that comes out of the camera. However, getting a wireless mic means I can be all the way back here and the mic quality stays exactly the same no matter where the camera is. This also works with like literally every single type of camera that has a 3.5 input, which my Lumix G7 does, which is great. So today, guys, we're gonna be checking out the Synco G1A1. If the camera just wants to focus on that, focus up camera. That is the product itself. So basically it's a wireless mic system. You have a transmitter and a receiver. The transmitter plugs into the camera and then the receiver will clip onto your shirt or whatever, and it can act as a microphone. It also comes with a 3.5 input on the receiver, so you can plug in an external mic if you don't want to use the built-in one. However, the built-in mic is supposed to be really solid. So some of the specs on the box: we have a 230 foot / 70 meter equivalent LOS transmission. We have working indicators like lights that tell you if it's paired up. 180 hertz low cut frequency, built-in external, so it has a built-in / external microphone. It's USB-C charging, which is great. It's updated charging technology, and it's wide compatibility because you can use this on your smartphone as well, probably Android and iOS if you have the adapter. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing experience and check this out. And we have a bunch of specifications on the back if you guys are interested. Okay, let's get into this bad boy. And I think it comes in a nice hard shell case, which is good for storage. Okay, so any stickers? So no stickers. This is just something to adjust the mic level on your camera. I don't need that. Then we have a user manual on actually how to use it. Don't really need this either, but you can if you're confused about how it works. And just like labels on what every component is. Here is the box itself, hard shell, which is nice. This product costs $100 normally. I got it on sale for $90 on Amazon because they had a coupon sale running, which is awesome. So here is everything. We have the two things right here. Very lightweight, I will say. So this is the receiver. So this is the thing you would actually clip on to your shirt, and this is the one with the microphone, or maybe the transmitter is the microphone one. I think it is. Maybe I had that backwards, but this is the one you would actually like go in and clip on your shirt. Transmitter, receiver. The transmitter is the one with the actual microphone on top right there. So let's get into the cables we actually get with this. Is this a SIM card ejector tool in here? It kind of looks like it. So let's open up this little baggie right here that you get in the box. Looks like we have a little clip right here. That might be for a lavalier microphone. This looks like a SIM card ejector tool. Those are always useful. And also, this looks like the dead cat you can put on top of the mic just to eliminate wind noise, and also a little foam cover for the lavalier microphone. There's that. Let's get into, I think this is the bag with all the cables inside of it. So let's open this up. Where's the opening on this? Right here. If you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to leave a comment, subscribe, and also leave a like. Helps out the channel greatly. Road to 1,000 subscribers. I know we can get there. Also, go check out Acorns listed in the description. Links to that, as well as all the tech I use on my channel in my kit link down below. You also donate to me if you're interested using the PayPal link as well. So a bunch of 3.5 cables here. We have one that's like coiled up just so it doesn't take up as much space. So there's that. Probably gonna use this to actually plug it into my camera. Have a double USB-C charging cable. This is super useful. Honestly, I could use this for a lot of things, depending on the charging speeds. This is actually pretty awesome. Use this to charge up the devices actually, since there's two of them. And then we have a lavalier microphone right here that plugs into the transmitter. And then another 3.5 cable right here. This looks like if you want to plug it into your smartphone. So all these cables, let's get this thing set up and actually do a real life audio test so you guys can get a good idea about how this compares from my Makey, I think it's called, or now Movu microphone that I'm using on my camera, and compare it to this guy right here. So let me get this charged up real quick. Okay, so I think I have it all figured out now. Basically what I did so far, and I think this is picking up my audio right now, all I did was basically plug in the receiver into my camera, into the 3.5 millimeter jack, attached it on top of my Lumix G7, which is great because this clip right here actually acts as a, I forget what the proper term is, but it's like a hot shoe mount, I think. This works and is compatible with all like hot shoe mounts on cameras. So let me know what you think of this audio, guys, and I can do some B-roll of the buttons on here. Basically all I did was just power up both devices, and I think they synced up literally perfectly. So let me clip this on my shirt and yeah, act as if this was normal. And yeah, I mean, let's test out how this audio is like in a natural setting. I don't know which direction I'm supposed to put this in. I guess I can do inside of the shirt. Just so it's like up against my body, I guess. It's not like flapping like on the outside, but now I can hear it like hitting my chain. But yeah, let me know how this audio quality is, guys. It's literally right underneath my my shirt, my chin. So if I like walk over here or anything, you should still be able to hear my audio quality literally perfectly. I don't know how the sounds are. If you can hear my keyboard, like I don't know how loud this is, but let me know how this sounds. Now what I'll do is maybe put this in my pocket or clip it to my pants and use the lavalier microphone, clip that to my shirt, and do an audio comparison of that. But I'm just looking at my camera right now and the audio levels look pretty solid, better than my shotgun microphone. It seemed a little bit quieter. So let's hop into that really quickly. Okay, so now this is the audio test of the lavalier microphone that actually comes in the box, the Synco G1 A1. You guys let me know how this sounds and if you can tell a difference between this and the built-in microphone on the Synco G1 A1 transmitter that's transmitting the audio from this into the receiver of the actual camera. So yeah, let me know. If this sounds worse, then obviously I would just use the onboard microphone. If it's better, I'll use this. I do like less cables, so I'm kind of leaning towards just using the transmitter itself with the built-in microphone, but we'll have to see in post-editing what I think sounds better. But this is a good idea about how this sounds compared to the built-in microphone of the Synco G1 A1. So let me just show you the B-roll of actually what the transmitter looks like. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I have it currently clipped on my shirt, so hopefully no audio issues going on here. I had to refilm this just because my recording got all muffled because I think it flipped down while I was wearing it, so the mic was facing the opposite direction. But as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, currently using the onboard mic right now, no lavalier microphone, probably gonna stick with this setup. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Appreciate all the support. If you would like to help support me financially, obviously I can't monetize my videos yet, but if you would like me to go out and review more awesome tech like this, obviously it's not cheap, but I have my PayPal link down in the description if you want to PayPal me for donations, as well as you can sign up for Acorns and help me out with referral bonuses. There's that, and also you can go check out my kit on kit.co. It's all the tech I use in my videos, all my favorite technology. You can go check out that if you purchase anything using my link down below. I get a small commission out of it. So those are just various ways to support me. Hopefully I can do some more awesome tech videos in the future, and I appreciate all you guys helping me spread my influence on YouTube. Road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, make sure this video gets out there. And yeah, I appreciate everyone who follows me. Peace out, guys. See you in the next video.